In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an animated Add to Cart button in Shopify Dawn theme. If you're using Dawn, the free Shopify theme, you have two ways to get that eye-catching button animation: install an app or write custom CSS and JavaScript. To keep things simple and safe, we'll focus on the no-code method using a Shopify app. It's quick, reversible, and doesn't require editing your theme files. Start in your Shopify admin. From the left sidebar, go to Apps, then open the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type a phrase like Add to Cart Button Animation or Button Customizer. You'll see options such as Boostly Add to Cart Button Customizer, PX Add to Cart Button, or Cart Button Animator Ultimate. Pick an app with solid reviews that clearly mentions compatibility with the Dawn theme, then click to install and follow the on-screen prompts to complete setup. Once installed, open the app from your apps list. Most of these tools have a simple dashboard where you can toggle on the animation for the Add to Cart or Buy Now button. Choose an animation style: pulse, bounce, glow, or similar. Then adjust the color, size, and text to match your brand. Keep it subtle. A gentle pulse or hover effect usually draws attention without feeling distracting. Save your changes in the app so they're applied across your store. Now preview your storefront. Visit a product page and look at the Add to Cart button. Refresh the page to ensure the app's settings are loaded, and interact with the button to confirm the animation works during hover, click, or page load, depending on what you selected. If the animation isn't visible, check the app's placement options in its settings, and make sure you're testing on a product page that uses Dawn's default product template. A few quick tips to get the best results. Test on both desktop and mobile, since motion can feel stronger on small screens. Avoid stacking multiple animation apps at once, which can conflict or slow things down. If your app offers performance settings, use lighter effects and shorter durations. And when in doubt, follow the app's built-in guidance. Some apps provide a one-click enable switch specifically tuned for the Dawn theme. The biggest pros of using an app are simplicity, low risk, and the ability to turn it off anytime. The trade-offs are reliance on a third party, a small performance overhead, and less granular control than custom code. For most stores, the app route is the fastest way to get a polished animated Add to Cart button live in minutes.